Good morning. We're up and out, ready for work. Knackered this morning, bit of a late one last night. Yeah, Saturday, working, doing what I usually do, but just leaving to go head to my pal's house. He's probably already loaded the kit. I'm running a bit late, but I think the older I get, the less I care about being slightly late. Not because I'm becoming less caring towards my job and my industry, but I've got a child now, and I don't get to see him much, especially in the mornings. I do get to see him, a lot, but I get home 5 o'clock and don't get home, and then he goes to bed at usually about 8 o'clock, so that's kind of the extent of it. So when he's up in the morning, it's almost impossible to leave. So yeah, just sat there playing with him this morning, and then he was hungry, so forgot about Dad. So I'm off to go and go to work, so yeah, see you at the job. Pardon? No, I think it'll be okay then. got that tree down. Sorry about, well, the lack of footage today, or quality of it. It is bashing it down. It's just clearing up a little bit, but white skies, probably just going to keep pissing it down. So got a little deadwood to do. I'll show you before. Deadwood and some hanging branches. We're in a little woodland school with kids, so just making everything safe today. And jump up there, get that out, and that's probably it for the day. Wouldn't be a day in the life of being a tree surgeon if you didn't have about 10 meters of decent throw line, followed by another 20 of this shit. This is I think the notch one. I think I bought it as a kit. And it just, every single bloody time it comes out, I've got to reorganise it back into the, it's pointless. I might as well just throw it up in the tree as a bundle, but it's typical, isn't it? Right. Set my retrievable SRT anchor point only up on the branch just there, but you can't really see them. There is a bunch of branches that are dying back, but the woodland school specifically only want one hanging branch there and one just there. So I'm gonna go retrieve those and then get the chipping done, call it a day. Lovely early finish. and we're done. Absolutely soaking wet, but only a few short hours of work, can't complain. And it's actually pretty sunny now, so should enjoy a decent sunny Sunday for once. But yeah, I'm knackered, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Hope you've enjoyed the videos this week. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I've been The Real Tree Guy. See you in the morning.